Yeah.
So good morning to everybody. Okay, which one you require? JEE Mains paper or advanced paper? Which I have to explain first. If you want, I will explain advanced. Otherwise, I will explain JEE Mains. Yes, Pushkar.
Sir, advanced.
Advance. Sai Vignesh. Sai Vignesh.
Sir, advance.
Very good. So people are asking advance. That is why I will explain first advanced question paper. I think you have the question paper with you. Banu Teja, Sai Vignesh. You have the question paper with you?
Yes,
No.
sir.
Pushkar Kala, you don't have? Banu Teja, do you have or not? Karthik Reddy?
We have, sir, question paper.
Why do you, Pushkar? Some people are getting down. Sir, this is the mistake you are doing. Every Monday, I am observing you. What is the thing is that you are not going to come to the class, not only you people, all of the people, because SARs are explaining question papers. Is it right? Sir, question paper is equal to your 1 week class. Yes, we are summarizing all the important points in the exam only. Na? That means we are discussing the question paper is nothing, but we are getting or collecting all the information from previous week. This is true. Those students who are listening the question paper properly, 100%, they will get the, what is that, ranks. Absolutely. But you are saying, question paper, we know everything. Huh? If you are the intelligent, you are never be present here. 100%. We have to learn more. Huh? This is not the correct way. I don't like. Yes. Are bhai Vignesh, tell me.
Sir. Wait, sir, I will say. Question number I will say.
Which one?
Wait, sir, 1 minute.
2 minutes to take, ra. What is that? Chaitanya?
Sir, question number 26.
26. 21, what is
Sir.
the doubt? Any doubt is there 21?
No, sir.
Please send the question paper in official group. Yes, I will send it now. Don't worry. Instead of that, I will share here now. You see question number 1, 21. Oxidation state of sulfur in H2S2O8 and the chromium. So already in my previous videos, PPT videos, anybody have, if you saw that one, okay, I told one point, oxidation number, you can't get some of the molecules directly. You should have the knowledge on the molecules. You should have the knowledge on the molecule structures. Then only you can give the answers. Yes or no? What is the molecular structure of H2S2O8? H2S2O8. If you directly calculate the oxidation number, it will be wrong. That is +2. O2 sir minus 16. Then sulfur become +14. Yes or no? 2 sulfurs +14. Then each sulfur is +7. Is it possible to exceed?
No,
what is that oxidation number more than +6? Why? Because sulfur is the 60A group element. This oxidation number never exceeds its group number, but it came as 7. Is it correct one? That is why wrong. That means the sum of the oxygens are not the oxides. That means something will be different. That is why you should know the structure. This is called Caros acid, sir, Marshall's acid. I think your sir given the structure also in your oxidation number concept. So
sir,
out of the, tell me.
Sir, 22 and 23, 24.
I am discussing all of them now. First time. Okay, so out of the all sulfurs, 2 sulfur hydrogens are same type of hydrogen, plus 2 sulfurs are same type of sulfurs, plus all oxygens are not same type. 6 oxygens are one type, 2 oxygens are other type. The total molecule state is 0 oxidation state because the molecule is a neutral. That's why equate to 0. Then 2 into +1 plus 2 into sulfur plus 6 into -2 plus 2 into -1. Why, sir? 2 oxygens are peroxides. And the remaining oxides are oxides. So 2 plus 2s minus 12 minus 2 is equal to 0. Then 2s is equal to 12. Then s is equal to plus 6. Therefore, sulfur oxidation state is 6, but not the 7. Next, you go for the next question. That in the question only, chromyl chloride, CrO2Cl2, Cr double bond O, double bond O, Cl and Cl. Next, then each chloride is always minus 1 here, minus 1 here, O is minus 2, O is minus 2, then chromium is plus 6, is over. So if you know the structure, that is your X is equal to 6 nana and Y is equal to also 6, then X plus Y by 4, that is 6 plus 6 by 4, that is equal to 3. Therefore, question number 21 answer should be 3. Yes. You go for question number 22. When ferric oxalate react with barium permanganate, I think no student have done this question. It's my open challenge. Any one of you class you have done the question? Yes. Fani Harshit? Sure. Nobody. 100% I can. Fani
Sir,
Harshit, did you done the question?
no, sir, but I had a problem, sir, in the yesterday question paper.
Why? What is that?
The integer type, I could not write more than one, sir. Many of the answers were in decimals and 2 digits, sir.
We will see now.
Okay, sir.
Ferric oxalate, that is a ferric, Fe plus 3, oxalate, C2O4 minus 2. And barium permanganate, barium, Ba plus 2, permanganate, MnO4 minus 1. Yes or no? So if you write that their points, that is Fe2C2O4 taken thrice, barium permanganate, one comes here, barium MnO4 taken twice. Okay, barium permanganate. When they act as oxidant and reductant respectively, oxidant, this acts as oxidant, this acts as a reductant. Oxidant means, then what happened here? Okay, barium, that is always iron plus 3 become Fe plus 2 and carbon become carbon dioxide plus barium, barium oxalate only, but manganese become Mn plus 2 because acidic medium. Iron become Fe plus 2, carbon become CO2, Mn become Mn plus 2. Here now you go for oxidation number. Okay, sorry, one more point. How many irons are there? 2. 2 irons should be. 3 2s are 6 carbon dioxide should be, and bariums 2 manganese should be. Sir, why do you put like this? Per molecule you should calculate always. Per molecule 6 carbons are there. Per molecule 2 irons are there. Per molecule 2 manganese are there. How many atoms are present in the reactant side? The same number of atoms should be on the right side product side. So that is why I have placed 2 6 2. Next point. If you go for oxidation number, iron is plus 3. But carbon is, each one is plus 3. How do you know, sir? C2O4 is minus 2. 4 2s are minus 8. Then carbon 2s are 6. Each carbon is plus 3. If carbon plus 3, here carbon is plus 4. Next, manganese, Ba is plus 2. And manganate is minus 1. Each manganate is 7. Now you please come here. In this one element undergoing reduction, other element is undergoing oxidation. Any one of them you can take. No, I am taking for this one, oxalate. How many carbons are there right side, left side? 6. I also should. So for this n factor equal to 6 into 4 minus 6 into 3. That is equal to 24 minus 18. That is equal to 6. 24 minus 18, 6. Now you go for manganese. Okay, barium does not changes. Manganese. 2 manganese, that is 2 into 2 minus 2 into 7, that is equal to 10. So for oxalate is, so what is the ferric oxalate? N factor is equal to P. Okay, barium manganate 10. Okay, na respectively the value of P minus Q by 2. Yes or no? That is equal to, okay, 8 minus 6 minus 10 or 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. Mod bit call and it should be N factor and oxidant and reductant. So oxidant is, who is that? This is the oxidant. Yes, that is why it is P and it is a Q. Why, sir? Oxidant means it undergo reduction. It undergo reduction. This undergo oxidation. That is why it is a reducing agent. This is an oxidating agent. P and Q. So 10 minus 6, 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. Anybody having the doubt? Anybody still having the doubt? Why do I wrote like that? Understood? And next question. If you go for question number 23, number 23. I will go for question number 23. Wait. Question number 23. 1 minute. Some student has sent that out. What is that? Sir, in question number 21. Yes, Nana. That is only I have asked in previous class also. He is adjacent to me, your lecturer, but he is not considering my problem and your problem also. I asked him, sir, it is as x plus y by 4, sir. Please consider. He is saying you should take brackets, sir. If you write like that, so it is the answer x plus y by 4. It is also p minus q by 2. He is saying like that. We will go for rectification. Yes, 100%. I will challenge these two questions. Don't worry. Okay, na? Now, 1 mole of carbon dioxide is passed over heat of coke. Yes, question number 23. 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Okay, overheated carbon. Okay, na? It gives carbon monoxide. Now, the volume of occupied by the gas at STP is p liters. Yes. What is the given? 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Sir, 1 mole at STP occupies 22.4 liters. If it is 1 mole, here is 2 moles. That means 2 into 22.4 liters. So, the volume of gas G occupies is p liters. Therefore, P is equal to 44.8 liters. Okay, na? Then they asked you 2p by 10. That is 2 into 44.8 by 10. How it comes as an integer? Yeah? Is it comes as integer? I will see. Okay. By 10 and 2 into 4.48. That is 2, 4, 8, 9, roughly 9. So 9 is the answer. Okay, no problem. That is. Next. Question number 25. So 24. 24. Half liter of parahydral releases V liters of oxygen. I think you don't know what is parahydral. That is that one of the drawback again. I think it is also one of the drawback. You know parahydral? I think no student you know that about the parahydral. Actually, parahydral mean 100 volume strength. H2O2 is called as parahydral. If you know this point, then only you can give. Sir, was sir explained your Samba sir in your class? What is parahydral? Yoganand Reddy? Yoganand Reddy. Do you know that? Any one of you? If you know, then no problem. Yoganand? Was sir given?
Yes, sir.
In a volume strength lesson when you taught. Actually, this thing will come your H2O2, hydrogen peroxide properties, preparation and structure. When we told about that, then we are explaining actually that is parahydral. 100 volume strength is called as parahydral, or 30% weight volume. 30% weight volume H2O2 is called parahydral. Sir, X volume H2O2 means 1 liter of this. 1 liter of this produces X liters of oxygen at STP is called X volume H2O2. Generally, what is the meaning of X volume H2O2? 1 liter of this produces X liters of oxygen. 1 liter of H2O2 of this H2O2 produces X liters of oxygen at STP. Now, how much have they given? Half liter. That is 500 ml. What is that? 100 volume H2O2 they given. 100 volume H2O2 means 1 ml of this solution produces 1 ml of this H2O2 produces 100 ml of oxygen at STP. But the given volume is how much? 500 ml. Then 500 ml of this, okay, parahydral produces, what is that? 500 into 100 ml of oxygen. at STP? This is the question. Okay, so the oxygen produced must be 500 into 100 ml of oxygen at STP. So question is what, Nana? 24. So V liters of oxygen at 1 atmosphere 273 Kelvin. The value of V by, now you convert them into liters. That is 500 into ante 5 liters of oxygen at STP. Then that is what is the given one? 5 by 50. 5 by 50. That is equal to 5 by 10. That is equal to 0.1 only. Na answer? How it is? Anybody having the same? Shrutik.
Sir, unfortunately.
No
Sorry.
problem. And Sai Vignesh. Tell me.
Sir, I too got 0.1.
50
I
liters.
kept it
5
as
liters మనకు వచ్చింది 5 liters కదా 5000 ml means 5 liters.
Yes,
5
sir.
liters by 5 by 50 is 0.1 only answer.
Yes, sir, I too got that only, sir.
Okay, I will ask the lecturer. Don't worry. I will go for the challenge for this question. Okay, na? Actually, 5 liters you will get. Sir, first a student, what is the 100 volume strength of H2O2 is called parahydral. 100 volume strength of H2O2 is called parahydral. Yes or no? I will go for 1 minute. Okay, no problem. I will challenge later. So 100 volume strength is nothing but 100 volume strength mean 1 ml produces 100 ml oxygen. Now how much liters they given? 500 ml. So 500 ml of 100 volume H2O2. Yes, sir. They have given 2p by 10 now. Where 2p by 10? So 2p by 10 is answer correct only. 9 is answer. That is only answer. No problem. So 1 ml, 500 ml of this one produces 500 into 100 ml, 5,000, 50,000. 50,000 ml is nothing but 5 liters. 5 liters, 5 by 50 is equal to 0.1 is the answer. I think I will ask him if it is the wrong answer.
Sir, 1 only, sir. Correct. And 1 is coming, sir.
1, how, sir? 1 by 10 is equal to how much, sir? Tell me in question.
Sir, they gave explanation as volume of oxygen.
Sir, that explanation is wrong, sir. Explanation, if you see the hint is wrong there. Why, sir? You go for the hint, what they given? You see in the hint, they given that what? 500 into 100 is equal to 50,000. That is the mistake you are seeing the hint also.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Is it correct or not? In the hint also they given wrong. That is why you are going wrong.
Okay, sir.
Next, question number 25. Question number 25. Okay, some of them have raised their hand. Sai, tell me.
Sir, 500 into 100 is 50,000, 50 liters, no sir. 50 by 50, 1 is the answer.
1000. Oh, okay. I am going wrong, yaar. Is it right? Yes. 1000 into, yes, 50 liters. Then 50 by 50 equal to 1. Okay. Is it okay? So yes, 500 into 100 is equal to 50,000. 50,000 means 50 liters. 50 liters means 50 by 50 equal to 1. Tell me now.
Sir, but in some exams of advance only, sir, if the answer is coming in 2 digit, only 1 digit it is taking, sir.
How?
So many exams it happened like that only, sir.
If it happened like that, you please inform to me. I will ask them.
Yes, sir.
We will go for the challenge.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Question number 25. So normality of decimolar H3PO2. Yes, normality is equal to molarity into N factor. N factor is nothing but here basicity of acid. Basicity of acid. H3PO2. When they given like this, you please always remember that for oxy acids of phosphorus, while you are writing P double bond OH, it must be present for every oxy acids. For every oxy acid of phosphorus, this is the structure must be present. This one. What about the remaining oxygen? No. Hydrogen, you directly attach here. So how many hydrogen in this structure? The hydrogen attached to oxygen responsible for its acidic nature. Next, these hydrogen attached directly to phosphorus responsible for reducing nature. Yes. So the reducing nature of phosphorus acid, hydrogen directly attached to phosphorus. Hydrogen directly attached to oxygen responsible for acidic nature. These hydrogens are called basicity of the oxy acid. So basicity equal to 1. That is equal to molarity 0.1 into 1, 0.1. So normality is equal to 0.1. And the value of 40x, 40 into 0.1 is equal to 4. That is why answer is 4. Now you go for 26. So this is the explanation for that. 26. How many of the following exhibit pseudo inert gas configuration either in atomic state or in ionic state? Yes. You see now first. Everybody look at there. Here you see. What are the things they given? Yes. They given copper, they given zinc, they given silver, they given cadmium, they given iron, they given mercury, they given platinum. In copper +1, you take silver +1, you take iron +1, you take zinc +2, you take cadmium +2, you take Hg +2. In all of them, their plus oxidation state, this oxidation state, all of them have NS2, NP6, ND10. That is, after removal of 2 electron, it become 3s2, 3p6, 3d10. This 18 electron in outermost shell is called pseudo inert gas configuration. Pseudo inert gas configuration. Octet configuration mean 8 electron in outermost shell. Pseudo inert gas configuration mean 18 electron in the outermost gas. So copper plus Ag plus Au plus Zn +2, Cd +2, Hg +2. Platinum in atomic state. Platinum generally we are writing. What is that? 5d9 6s1. Okay, 5d9 6s1. We can write as 5d10 and 6s0 also. That is why 5s2, 5p6 and 5d9, 5d10. Okay, that is why it in atomic state and the remaining 6 are ionic state. They exhibit pseudo inert gas configuration. So I think everybody understood what is meaning by pseudo inert gas. Outermost 18 electron is called pseudo inert gas. So if you observe their configuration, you can get the answer. If you don't know the configuration, you can't get. And next question. Next question number 27. Question number 27. Group number of the, what is it? Thorium. ఒక్క నిమిషం అండి. Gadolinium. Okay. You see, sir, what happened, sir? ఏమైంది సార్? అయ్యా, నేను అప్పటికే అనుకొని కారులో ఇంకో ల్యాప్టాప్ తెచ్చుకుంటుంటా రోజు, బట్ ఇవాళ తేలేదు. అంటే దాని ఏజ్ అయిపోయింది సార్. ఓకే, ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ చూసారా మన అడ్వాన్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్? ఇన్ అడ్వాన్స్ క్వశ్చన్ ఫస్ట్ 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ x + y/4, p + p - q/2 చూడలే, పేపర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయట్లేదు. ఎందుకని? ఏవి? ఓహో, ఇవాళ మొత్తం ప్లాన్ మారిపోయింది కాబట్టి ఇవాళ క్లాస్ చెప్తారా? రేపు తీసుకుంటారా? ఓకే, ఏం కావాలి సార్ మీకు? చాక్ పీసెస్? అసలు ఒక్క చాక్ పీస్ కూడా లేదు మొత్తం క్యాంపస్ లో. ఐఎమ్ సారీ గైస్, some other lectures came. I'm sorry. Okay, now I am going for 27th question. Group number of the periodic, sir, P, thorium. Yes, thorium. Thorium is nothing but 90. 89 actinium nana. Sir, what about the palladium? Sir, palladium given. How many they given? Platinum, palladium. Oh, I went wrong. This is palladium. I'm sorry. Yes, palladium having 10. This is wrong. Platinum is not there. So palladium, what is that? In the answers are copper, silver, iron, and zinc, cadmium, mercury, and palladium. Platinum cannot. Platinum either in oxidation state or in atomic state also. It has 9 electrons only. By mistake, I went wrong. Okay, tell me. Any doubts? I am going in question. Thank you, sir. No, sir, didn't explain. Which one, Ra? Okay, no problem. Now you go for question number 27. Thorium. Group number of thorium. Thorium belongs to 5F series. Yes, thorium belongs to 5F series. Sir, 4F and 5F. 4F and 5F both are belongs to, this belongs to 6th group, 6th period, and this belongs to 7th period. This and both are belongs to 3rd group. That is the logic. So thorium is a 5F series. 5F series mean 3rd group and 7th period. Okay, na? And next, what about the next one? Gadolinium. Gadolinium, GD. GD belongs to again 4F series. 4F series mean 3rd group again, but 6th period. That is the logic. So thorium P period is number is P, and Q is the group number. So P plus Q, that is 3 plus 7, 10 nana. And gadolinium belongs to R and S. R 3 plus S. R plus S is equal to 3 plus 6, 9. What is the answer? 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Sir, how do we? You should remember the points. Sir, thorium is nothing but 1890. This is the starting element of the 5F series. Gadolinium, middle of the 4F series, it will come. You have to remember, otherwise I can't do anything. Question number 28. So the number of electron valency shell of the chromium. Chromium is equal to 3d5 and 4s1. Valency electron is 1. Okay, is equal to configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and 3d5 and 4s1. This is the valency shell. Okay, na? And this is the penultimate shell. This is the pre-penultimate shell or anti-penultimate shell. The anti-penultimate shell is also called pre-penultimate shell. Yes, pre-penultimate shell. Now the question is, valency shell of chromium is X, and either X is equal to 1. And next, pre-penultimate shell is Y. Pre-penultimate shell 6 plus 2, 8. That is Y is equal to 8. Then the question 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Answer is over. Good question. But most of the student went wrong. Penultimate shell you are going. That is why you are getting wrong answers. I know very well, 100%. Okay, students. Now I will go next question. Half of the time is over. You see, I am going reverse because space is available now for me. That's better. If I go reverse, I will get the space. Now you see, question number 38. For which of the following element covalency cannot exceed 4? Sir, covalency. What I told about the covalency? Covalency is equal to number of covalent bonds or coordinative covalent bonds around the atom, which depends upon the number of orbitals. Yes, boron number of orbital 2s 2p. This no 2d. That is why s orbital 1 no p orbital 3. 1 plus 3. Maximum covalency 4. Phosphorus, yes, 3s2 3p3 and 3d 0 available. That is why it can exceed covalency. Best example pf5. 5 bonds are there. That is why it is wrong answer. Oxygen, yes, 2s2 2p4. That is, there is no 2d 0. That is why 1s 1 orbital 3 orbital 3 plus 4 never exceeds 4. Yes, why this answer. Chlorine, that is 3s2 3p5 and 3d 0. It can also extend its covalency. That's why not possible. So answer A and C. Yes or no? Why? The number of orbital will give its covalency. Yes. Available orbital. This is 2 available orbital only there. Only covalent bonds are present in CCl4. Yes, CCl4. Yes, all are covalent bonds. CO2, carbon dioxide, all are covalent bond. And next, now only covalent bond. Ammonium nitrate, ammonium NH4 plus, nitrate NO3 minus. In your school level onwards, you are studying about this one. Ammonium nitrate. So ionic bond is there. That is a wrong answer. PH3, phosphine, rat killer, phosphine, all the covalent bond. So answer A correct, B correct, D correct. Somewhat typical, but for you, because you don't know, but every time you are studying these questions, phosphorus, how to identify? Phosphorus is 2.1, hydrogen 2.1. That is why, sir, one logic you apply. Electronegativity difference is greater than 1.9. Ionic bond, electronegativity difference less than 1.9. What is that? Covalent bond. If it is equal to 1.9, 50% ionic and 50% covalent. You know the point? This is the logic you apply. That is why ammonium nitrate, ammonium plus so NO3 minus. So you know in the formula itself. Next, covalent bond is present. Covalent bond is present. They won't mention only covalent bond. That is why this question is somewhat complicated for you. NaCl, NaCl. Already you know sodium is 0.9 electronegativity, chlorine is 3.0, 3 minus 0.9 less than more than 1.9. Therefore ionic compound. HCl, HCl, hydrogen 2.1, chlorine 3.0, less than 1.9, that's to be covalent. Ammonium chloride, sir, in ammonium chloride, ionic bond is there, but you are forgetting point. In ammonium, in school level only this question comes every time. Ammonium chloride. In your 10th class also you have this question. In ammonium chloride, ionic bond is there, covalent bond is there, and coordinative covalent bond is also there. Coordinative covalent bond between these two ionic, and three types of bonds containing a one and only compound here, this one. Sodium carbonate, Na plus CO3 minus 2, crisscross. Okay, na? In carbonate, who is there? Covalent bonds are there. Yes. That is why answer B, C, D, and A is, sir, actually in this one ionic bond is there, but also covalent is there. But the question does not only covalent bond. They just ask you covalent bond. They won't ask you only covalent bond. That's why I can take B, C, D is the answer. Anybody having the doubt? I think nobody having the doubt. Now, dipole-dipole interaction. Sir, already I told to you, dipole-dipole interaction. Sir, 1 minute. Something went wrong. Oh, question paper vachindante em ledhu. So, what is that? Dipole-dipole interaction observed. Dipole is nothing but polar molecule. This dipole must be polar. Sir, where the dipole-dipole interaction between polar and polar molecule? Yes, HCl is a polar molecule. NO2 is a polar molecule. SO2 is a polar, but Cl2 not. Why, sir? When a covalent bond is present between two different atoms, is a polar covalent bond. Yes, polar. That is why they have the polar dipole-dipole interaction, but it is a non-polar. So non-polar is Landon force will be present in this one. That is why this is a wrong one. Next one. Which of the following set of atom can give hydrogen bonding? Already I given. Whenever your hydrogen attached to fluorine or nitrogen or oxygen, then only it give hydrogen bonding. Yes, no, yes. But if we go for strictly some of the compound, rarely it can also produce, but we are not considering that. That is answer A, C, D is correct. Next you go for 32. Percentage of copper and oxygen in sample, copper oxide obtained by different methods were found to be the same. Thus cannot be prove the law of. Okay, yes, this question delete it because out of syllabus. Okay. Hello. Madam, ప్లీజ్ నేను బిజీగా ఉంటున్నాను. నేను ఇప్పటికీ కోటి సార్లు చెప్పుంటాను మీరు కాల్ చేస్తుంటే. మాకు నీడ్ ఉంటే మేము కాల్ చేస్తాం, మాకు అవసరమైతే కాల్ చేస్తాం మీ ద్వారానే. ఓకేనండి? బట్ యూ డోంట్ కాల్ మీ అగైన్ అండ్ అగైన్. సారీ. ఓకే సార్, యూ మిస్డ్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 35. పేరు రా. ఓ ఐఎమ్ సారీ యువర్ question number 35. Which of the following compounds are transition metal? Sir, what is transition metal? D black metals are called transition. Okay, and inner transition means F and 4F and 5F. Sir, silver. Sir, in the D black also, Zn plus 2, cadmium plus 2, and Hg plus 2. Zinc, cadmium, mercury. In that is a second B group. Second B group element, either in their atomic state or in a stable oxidation state. D10, D10, D10 will be present. In stable oxidation state also they have D10. There is no unpaired electron, no unpaired D electron. Minimum there should be one unpaired D electron to exhibit transition property. That is why Ag plus is possible. Yes. Cadmium, not platinum. Yes, they given Pt. Okay, I think your sir has explained. PtCl6 minus 2, chloride minus 6. If the charges are same, subtraction. Pt plus 4. Yes, platinum just now I shown you 3d9, sorry, 4d9, 5s1. Pt plus 4. 4 electron you remove. 10 minus 4, 6. That is 4d7, 5s0. Sorry, 4d6, 5s0. Still there are 3 unpaired electron. That's why platinum is a transition metal. Gadolinium, just now I told you, it belongs to 4F, inner transition element. So answer A and C only correct in 35. Okay, na darling? I think you are happy. And now you come to question number 32. Sir, copper and oxygen sample of CuO obtained by different method were found to be same. This cannot be law. Sir, this was not explained by every lecturer in your syllabus. Why? NTA has discarded this syllabus. Law of chemical combinations are not there. Law of conservation of mass, law of definite proportion, law of multiple proportion, law of reciprocal proportion or inverse proportion. They are not there now. But what is this meaning? This meaning is so irrespective of the compound, always the elements are present in a constant proportion. Their mass is called constant proportion or definite proportion. That is why answer BCD. Why? This cannot be proved. Yes, this proves this one. That means answer BCD. But this is the deleted question. Okay, we will go for that challenging. Okay, na? Now you go for remaining questions. 30, 29. What is that? Space is available? No. I will go for one more time these questions. Now I will take it. Wait for 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Now you come here. Question number 31 onwards we will go. Okay. 31. What they given 31? What they given 31? 2.4 grams of magnesium. What is it? Dropped in 100 ml on HCl. Yes, magnesium plus HCl, which gives rise MgCl2 plus hydrogen. It based on POAC and limiting reagent. Okay, 2HCl balance it. MgCl2 balancing. Okay, what is the number of moles of magnesium given? 2.4 by 24. 2.4 grams given. That is equal to 0.1 mole they given. HCl is how much given? HCl. What is that? Number of moles. Number of moles is equal to molarity into volume. Okay. Into 10 power minus 3. Why, Nana? They given in milliliters, na? Number of moles I am converting into. Okay. Molarity is equal to normality. Why? That is HCl. N is equal to M into X generally. X equal to 1. So molarity is equal to 1. Volume is equal to 100 into 10 power minus 3. That is equal to 0.1 mole. So they given 0.1 mole. Okay, na? Shall I repeat one more time if you want? Normality is equal to molarity. Why? N factor is equal to 1 for this. Then number of moles is equal to molarity into volume in liter. Number of moles. But they given millimoles, na? That is why convert into 10 power minus 3. That become the given number of moles of HCl is 0.1 mole they given. But you are going wrong. Sir, this is 1 mole requires 2 moles. 1 mole magnesium requires 2 moles. Then 0.1 requires 0.2 moles. But they given 0.1. And this is the limiting reagent. HCl is the limiting reagent. So first point is over. Anybody still having the doubt, you can raise your hand. I will explain. I can explain. If you have anybody having the doubt. So HCl is the limiting reagent. Okay, na students? Okay. Now, according to the point, 1.12 liters of hydrogen is produced at STP. Sir, 2 moles produces 1 mole. Okay, sorry. We read it wrong. Water and H2 gas and okay. So 2 into 22.4 liters. And that means, is it correct or not? 2 moles produces, what is that? From the question, what do you understand? 2 moles HCl produces 1 liter and 22.4 liters of hydrogen gas. Then 0.1 mole of HCl produces how much? That is 0.1 into 22.4 by 2. 11.2. 11.2 into 0.1, 1.12 liters of H2P. Yes, that is the option A. 0.01 mole of magnesium is behind. No, sir. Sir, 1 mole takes 0.1 mole. 1 mole takes 2 moles. 0.1 mole takes double the number, 2 into 0.1. Yes or no? 0.1 mole, 2 moles of HCl takes 1 mole magnesium. Now, 0.1 mole HCl takes how much? 0.1 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 2 is 0.5 and 0.5. And 0.5 moles of magnesium will take. But they given 0.1 and 0.1 minus of 0.5. Left is 0.5 moles. But they given 0.001 moles. That is a wrong one. 0.1 mole of Mg plus 2 ions are found in the solution. No. You see, 0.1. Generally 2 moles give 1 mole of Mg plus 2. Then 0.1 mole give 0.5 moles of Mg plus 2. So they given 0.1. That is very wrong. Understood? So the total points we are applying based on limiting reagent. If I applied based on limiting reagent, I got the answer A and D. But answer should be for this is 0.5. For this also 0.5 should be. But they given wrong. Okay, na? Now you go for the next question. What is the next question? 30th question. What is that? 2 gram of triatomic gaseous element was found to occupy volume 448 ml, 76 centimeter of Hg at 273. And that is nothing but they are the, what is that? STP condition. Sorry, STP condition 22,400 ml occupies its molecular weight amount. Yes or no? Molecular weight is nothing but triatomic gas. Okay. The triatomic gas, that is equal to 3 into X is the atomic weight. Then 448 ml occupies how much? Is it right? And 448 into 3x by this is equal to 2. Then you will get the answer. 448 ml occupies how much? That is 448 into 3 into x by 22,400 is equal to, they given 2. Then you will get the x value. That will be the answer. Why you are writing x star? Triatomic weight. Each atomic weight is x. Triatomic means 3 into x. So 22,400 ml is nothing but STP and 1 mole. 1 mole is nothing but 3 into atomic weight. Then 448 ml occupies how much? That will be already saying 2 grams. That equals to 2. You will get the answer. Now you will get the, go for question number 29. Now you go for question number 29. 10 gram of sample of silver which is contaminated with silver sulfide produced. First silver sulfide plus, okay, hydrogen sulfide. Okay, silver sulfide produced. Sample of silver, I'm sorry, first is silver. Okay, 10 gram of silver which is contaminated with silver sulfide produced 11.2 ml of hydrogen sulfide at STP by treatment with excess of HCl. Silver you treated with HCl. You are getting, okay, treatment with excess of silver which is contaminated with silver sulfide. Okay, okay. There are silver and silver sulfide. I am treating with Ag2S. Okay, na? So a sample of silver which is contaminated with silver sulfide produced 11.2 ml of hydrogen sulfide at STP by treating with excess of hydro S. This is the contamination and impurity. When I am treating with HCl, this Ag2S forms AgCl plus H2S. Okay, na? How much H2S? 2. That is equal to 2 AgCl plus H2S. It is over. How much, Nana? 11.2 ml at STP. Got my point? Generally, you logic observe, Nana. Ag2S 1 mole produces 1 mole. 1 mole Ag2S ante entandi 2 into 108 plus 32 grams. Okay, na? He is produced from 22,400 ml. Now 11.2 ml produces how much? Calculate. 22,400 ml H2S should produce from, what is that? 2 into 108 plus 32 grams. Then 11.2 ml produces how much? Got my point? Now this is the should be present. This is the present. Then 10 grams of sample of silver. So this is X gram you got. X by 10 into 100 you do, your answer will come. So this much of hydrogen sulfide should come from how much? That you got the Ag2S present in the given sample. So total sample is 10 gram. Ag2S present X gram. Percentage, the amount of silver in the sample is. So first you are getting percentage of Ag2S. Remaining percentage is sulfur. Understood? So the amount of, otherwise 10 minus X. 10 minus X, that is the silver present. 10 is the total weight. X is the Ag2S weight. Then 10 minus X is the answer. Okay. So in this way, we can apply the problem very easily. Now you go for the next point, next to JEE mains paper. First, in the JEE mains paper, that questions, dipole questions are somewhat typical for you, I think. I think you are facing those problems only. Yes. I saw. Sir, explain matching. Ekkadra matching? I'll go for that. Don't worry, don't worry. Oh. Yes, I'm going to explain. Don't worry. La, 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 la. Yes. Yes, you see the question paper. You see now. Question number 26. Which of the following is arranged increasing order of their boiling point? Sir, already I have explained. Whenever water is present, which bond is present? Hydrogen bonding is present. All the molecules are based on weak forces only. I told you hydrogen bond is greater than, Keystone force is greater than, Debye force is greater than London force. Am I given this one? Hydrogen bond is present in water. So the answer is either B or D. Why present? Remaining forces in them, in all of them are at what is having CCl4. Actually dipole forces are there in carbon dioxide, CS2 and CCl4. But CCl4 is a liquid, but these two are gases. Automatically, why it is a liquid? Because of strong van der Waals force. Because of strong van der Waals force. Why the strong van der Waals force? Because of large molecule and molecular weight. So water after CCl4, after then CS2, after, so answer should be B. Is over. Sir, in which of the following intermolecular interaction energy proportional to 1 by R power 3? Sir, am I explained this point? Intermolecular energy for dipole, ion dipole interaction 1 by R square, ion induced dipole 1 by R power 4, and number 3, dipole for solid molecule or non-rotatory molecules is what is that? 1 by R cube. For rotatory molecule 1 by R power 6. Am I given all the points? So for a stationary molecule, that is A. Yes. Next one. We have discussed everyone in this one, in the classroom itself. I'm sorry. Yes, next question. What is that? What will be the correct if A and B are involved in forming ionic compound? The electron configuration of A and B as follows. So here 2 electron in outermost orbit. What is that? 6 electron. It requires 2 electron. It loses 2 electron. And A plus 2 and B minus 2. You know your 10th class onwards. To get a octet configuration, it should remove 2 electron. To get octet configuration, it takes electron. Because of this reason, it gets pseudo octet configuration. It gets octet configuration AB2. So answer should be AB. Answer is B. Next question. Next, the compound, the atomic number of 2 element A and 17. That A is equal to 17 and a chlorine. B is equal to 20 and a calcium. So the formula of ionic compound made by A and B, where the, what is that? Where the cation is conventionally written first. Cation is calcium. B. Anion is A. That is cation first you have to write. Anion next you have to write. Ca is always plus 2. That is B plus 2. Cl is minus 1. A is minus 1. You write here. You write here. Answer is BA2. Where is the option? Yes. Conventionally cation first right and B should be right first. A should be right next. That is why BA2. Understood? And next question. 30. A compound contain element A, B, C. If oxidation numbers are A plus 2, B plus 5, C is okay. What is that? I missed it now. I don't know what happened here. I missed it. Wait. C is plus 2. C is plus 2. Then what is the formula of the compound? A is plus 2, B is plus 5, C is plus 2. Na? Then it should be, which one you have to select? If you write directly also, no problem. A, 3, B, 4, C, 2. How to write that, sir? Crisscross it. Then A is plus 2. A is plus 2. B, 4, C whole power minus 3. B4C whole power minus 3. Already is saying C is plus 2 na minus 2 na. Oh, C is minus 2. I am sorry. They given C is minus 2. If C is minus 2, then how much? Minus 2 minus 3. That is B should be. No, so that is where wrong it is. Now you go for here. A4, BC4 taken twice. Then A is plus 2 and BC4 whole minus 4. Minus 4 2s are minus 8. That should be plus 5. 8 minus 5. No, wrong. This is also. I think it may be A2. That is this one. A plus 2 and BC3. BC3 whole power minus 2. 3 2s are minus 6. And B is plus 4. No. ABC2. A is plus 2. B and answer A na. I think A is plus 2 and B4C whole power minus 3 nana. C is minus 2. 3 2 same charges, subtraction. That is wrong nana. Which one they given? Everything is going wrong. 4 2s are 8. Whoa. Here I mistaken. Here I am mistaken. I think B option. You see, A plus 2, BC4 whole power minus 3. 4 2s are minus 8. It should be plus 5. Yes, answer should be A. Sir, B. Yes, sir, how do you go like that? Simply crisscross it. A become plus 2, BC4. Already C is 4 2s are minus 8. Outside same side. And a minus 8 plus 5 should be minus 3. Therefore, answer should be B. Yes. Which pair can form XY type of compound? Al is always plus 3. Phosphorus minus 3. ALP, right? A is correct. MgN. Mg forms plus 2. N minus 3. Sir, group numbers are up to first A group, second A group, third A group. They forms plus and a plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Fourth A, they shares electron. But fifth A and sixth A and seventh A, they takes 3 electron, they take 2 electron, they take 1 electron. That is why minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. That is why N is fifth group, minus 3. So answer Mg2, N3. That is why it cannot be answer. CaO. Yes, Ca plus 2, O minus 2. Because Ca is second A, that is a plus 2 minus 2. So answer correct. Sodium fluoride, Na first group minus 1. Yes, right answer. So answer A, C, D is the answer. Yes, this is one. Which of the following force does not contribute to the van der Waals forces? Sir, what is van der Waals forces? I told you three forces: dipole, dipole, dipole induced dipole, and instantaneous dipole induced dipole. That is Kisam force, Debye force, and what is that? Landon force. So dipole, dipole, okay. Dipole induced dipole, okay. Instantaneous dipole, okay. Electrostatic forces of attraction, releasing energy, tappu. Releasing energy is less than, what is that, Nana? 8 kilojoules. That is why answer A, B, C is correct. Now, two ice cubes are pressed over each other, unite to form a cube. Which force is responsible for holding them? Sir, water always having hydrogen bond. Water always having hydrogen bond. So these are not the responsible. In strongest force among the following: Landon, ion dipole, dipole induced dipole, dipole dipole. Sir, just now I told to you, dipole, induced dipole, all these are this one, this one, this one. Van der Waals forces. They are weak when compared to ion dipole. Ion dipole, ionu dipole. The real ion is there. That's why answer B. These all are weak. Sir, I will give you the logic this also. Ion dipole is greater than ion induced dipole is greater than van der Waals force. So these all are in that van der Waals force also. Kisam is greater than, Debye is greater than Landon. This is the, for when then compared to that, hydrogen bonding is the strong, all of them. Okay, now you come. We can liquefy due to dash. I'm sorry. We can Xe can liquefy due to, sorry, Xe is a non-polar. Non-polar is nothing but Landon. That is instantaneous dipole induced dipole interaction. This is my answer. Yes, because it has no polarity, but the polarity itself is causing instantaneous dipole induced dipole interaction. Yes. Next, what is the correct order of different forces? Dipole induced dipole, dipole dipole, and Landon. That is wrong. Landon is okay. Dipole dipole is greater than dipole induced dipole. Dipole dipole, where is that? Dipole dipole, dipole S. Answer B. Yes, dipole dipole is a Kisam force, Debye force, and Landon force. Answer B. I think understood everybody up to what is that, Nana? 36. Next 37 onwards we will discuss tomorrow because time is up. Okay, na? Am I covered each and every one? So please observe the knowledge of the lecturer, what he is completing in the previous weeks. Okay, bye. Sir, whatever they given wrong, sir. 35 gave Bia. Vaira 35 Bia. Dipole dipole interaction. No. Instantaneous dipole induced dipole. This is B wrong. It's D correct. Because xenon having any poles, that is why it is called induced dipole interactions. Okay, na? We will discuss it tomorrow. Thank you very much, students. Bye bye. See you.